So because of your unhealed trauma, because of the things that people have said to you or what you've heard broadcasted in the world, or people making you doubt yourself or making you not see your value or your worth, when you're making a decision or a call to move forward in your life, you have all those other things, all those other people, all those other scenarios playing in your head because you internalize everything. Okay? And this has to do with your trauma as a child. When you were traumatized and when you went through experiences and things that didn't make sense to you, you didn't understand, or you didn't have people there to help you work through those things or acknowledge your emotions in those moments, or you were told to just keep it moving, suck it up, whatever, it created this ripple within you to believe that you have to internalize and figure out what it is that you did wrong, or what it is that is the issue, or how you can fix it to avoid that same reoccurring pain, suffering, challenge, whatever it is. So now when you're making decisions and choices on how to move forward, those are the voices that play in your mind. So instead of you being able to choose your path and your plan forward of your world and your reality and your truth, you have all these other things playing into the role. They start to become your truth, okay? Because they start to come in and make you think, well, but this, this, that, this person, their thought, their emotions, their thing. And so you let all these other things become part of your decision-making process. And so when you choose something, you're choosing it from that standpoint and not from your place of truth. And then you wonder why things in your life are not opening up or turning out the way that you want them to do, because there's so many other things that are playing a role in it. So I need you to really think and create for yourself the reality that you want for you. If you were creating your own world without anybody else influencing it, without anybody else's opinions, without anything at all, what would you pick for yourself? What does your world look like? And I want you to create it. I want you to write it. I want you to draw it. I want you to create a blueprint of your world and your reality, so that when you're choosing, you're picking a path for yourself. Your truth is your truth, and you know exactly where to go. And you're not considering anything else, anybody else's opinions. It doesn't mean that you're being like rude, or that you're being like non-genuine or whatever, that you're not considering other people's emotions and feelings, but you're not letting those things outweigh what your truth is and what your desires are and what it is that you desire and what you want. You're walking forward in what it is that you need for yourself, so that you are on the highest possible timeline of your creation, of your manifestation, of your world, without those things getting in the way, because other people's energies, their intentions, their stuff plays a role in your life, okay? Meaning that because where they're at in their journey, because of their understanding, because you've taken a piece of their stuff on as truth, or you're listening to them, you're intersecting into your energy field or into your life other people's stuff, and then your life becomes a clutter. And when you're trying to create and move forward and have this plan, now there's all these different energies that are affecting your energy, when your energy field is divine and pure, and it's set with the intention of the direction that you want to go in already. So I need you to really think about this in your plan and your destination. And when you create your world and your plan, I want you to be detailed. I want you to write everything that you can think of that fits into your plan, down to the details of what you want in a relationship and a partner, and those details, and as far as what you want your world to be like and how it operates and what's in it. And let that be your focus. And if you know that is your truth and you adopt it as this is how my world operates, then when things come out of it that doesn't match, you're going to immediately reject them or remove them or change the scenario or change the viewpoint of it so that it's in a positive state for yourself, so that it continues to radiate more and more of the same, so your life is exactly what you want it to be. Okay?